Alright, got the cover off of the receiver, and in order to clean the pots, you remove each of these knobs. They pull off, and these switches stay in, and these knobs come off. They come off, you pull straight. These little knobs, you pull these off in order to get the faceplate off, and this large knob comes off, and these come off as well. A few things which were out: the lights, that AM was okay, this FM was out, phono 1 was out, phono 2 was okay, aux was out. So I fixed those by putting in an LED and a 1000 ohm resistor, and those parts are they're the old bulbs, and you can't buy those anymore, or at least I couldn't find them. So I replaced them with a LED and that 1000 ohm, and they fit in right in here, this area. So this guy's new. I'm sorry, this one is new, and where this tape is, I use Kapton tape to change the color, because as you can see, the LED is much a whiter, brighter bulb than the amber looking color coming from the original bulb. The bias on the output transistors, which are there and there, and also for the next channel there and there, the bias is right over here. You can see these two pins, and you can see this pot right there, and that pot is adjusted to give around anywhere from like 20 to 50 millivolts of bias. And on the internet they say anything around 20 millivolts or 30 is plenty. You might get a little bit of less the IM distortion if you went up to 50, but that's probably, you don't have to go that high, and those transistors will run cooler. Inside looks real clean. I didn't see any caps or anything that looked like they were leaking or anything, and I cleaned up those PWB boards. This here is the main power board. I didn't touch it, I just dusted it off a bit. Those resistors get a lot hotter. So here, I've got it set for FM in a moment, and you can see the signal meters move as I'm switching back to FM, and here we go. There's no hiss or hum at all in the speakers. Balance knobs work good. All these buttons work. Tone is set to on, so that means these work.
So you'll fall asleep, they tell me, 25% faster if you do this 10 minutes before.
There's the dim bulb tester, which is powering it. Set up for the auxiliary input. And turn this back to FM.
99.9 KEZ, The Mountain.
So that's working good.
5 the Mountain Road Check from the Valley Toyota Dealers Traffic Center.
No traffic on I-17
Here, I'll show you
from 16th Street to
what happens when you first turn on. The dim bulb tester, it will light as more current is drawn, and then it'll turn off and go dim.
the roadways.
This report is sponsored by Lazy
That
Boy
was the
Home Furnishings and
output
Decor.
relays
The
turning
Lazy Boy
on.
factory authorized clearance
It's
is
working
going
good.
on now. Save up to 50% off.
Thought you'd enjoy
overstocks,
seeing
one of
this.
a kinds. Everything is on sale. Plus 24 months special
Alrighty.
financing is available in person, by phone, or online.
See you
We're
soon.
here for you. Lazy Boy. Live life comfort.